Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as per our expectation during the Friday trading session, market could not cross the upper limit, the mark of 1950. Okay. So the overall structure of gold USD is still the same. Okay, let's look at the chart of DXY first. So DXY, the last traded price is 98.22. This is the last traded price, and when I made the yesterday's video, DXY was standing here. So we were skeptical whether DXY would be able to take the support or not. But yes, DXY took the support and it bounced. Okay. So on Monday also, we can expect that 98 level will be acting as the support for DXY. But one crucial thing that we cannot miss on the chart of DXY is that when it bounced, the bounce was very small. Okay, you can see market went up and it reversed from here only. Okay, so this is an indication, or this may be an indication, that slowly new sellers, yes, I'm not talking about buyers, new sellers are joining in. So as a result, there is a possibility of DXY breaking the level of 98. Okay, if DXY breaks the level of 98, then 97.75 will be the next important level for DXY, and ultimate level for DXY is 97.40. So these are the important levels for DXY. And on Monday, you can see, this is the forexfactory.com. On Monday, you can see Fed Chair Powell speaks. So that will also be a market driving event. There will be volatility, so please be careful and just keep in mind that the important levels of DXY is 98, 97.75 and 97.40 as of now. Okay, and if everything fails, then 97. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. Okay, so the last traded price of gold is 1920.85. This is the last traded price of gold here. So on Monday, let the market open, and after the market opening, just observe and see where the market is heading. Okay, in case it starts coming down, okay, in case it starts coming down, then you can observe the market around the 200 moving average. You can see the red line. Okay, there is a red line here. The red line is the 200 period moving average. In all the market around the world, whether it's stock market, forex market, commodity market, we know it very well that 200 moving average is a very respectable support and resistance. Everyone respects the 200 period moving average. So in this case also, we can hope that if the selling pressure is not high enough, then there is a possibility of market taking support at the 200 moving average and reversal. So if market bounces from the 200 moving average, you can go for a buy. And if the 200 moving average period 200 moving average fails to provide the required support to the market, as I've already mentioned that yes, there will be volatility on Monday because of the Fed Chair Powell speaks. Okay, so if there's crazy volatility in the market, there's a fall in the market, then the next important support for gold will be 1895. Okay, so first is 200 moving average, then the 1895 level. 1895 is a very strong support for the market. Why? Because see, overall the structure of gold is very much towards the upside. We know it very well, isn't it? But if we just observe the present trend of gold here, then we can see that the present trend of gold is very much towards the downside. There is a bearishness in the market. So as a result, in this market condition, okay, 1895 was the level that provided support to the market. So there is a possibility that under normal market circumstances, if there is a fall in the market, then 1895 will be able to provide the required support. Okay, and in case 1895 also fails, then we have 1880. 1884 actually, 1884 to 1880. So these are the three important support for a market right now. This is the strongest support, 1884 to 1880. If everything fails, okay, we can hope that there will be reversal on this level and we can go for a buy. And the second important support is 1895. Okay, so keep in mind, my dear friends, these are just the levels, and as we all know, no level is permanent in the market. So without confirmation, do not buy. What is the confirmation? The confirmation will be in the form of price rejection from below. If you see a hammer pattern, any good price rejection from below, or a bearish bullish engulfing pattern, that will give you the confirmation that yes, market is taking support. Okay, and you can click on the buy button. And on the other hand, we have 1935. 1935 on the upside as the resistance, but let me be very clear, this resistance is not a strong one. The strongest resistance in this market is 1950 as of now. 1950 is the strongest resistance for the market as of now. So if market goes up after the market opening, so if the market is slow enough, there is no news driven news in the market, at that particular point of time you can expect some kind of price rejection from above around 1935. नॉर्मल सिचुएशन जब रहेगा, अगर तब आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि 1935 से रिजेक्शन मिलेगा, बट 1950 is the only strong resistance in the market right now. Okay, so if market goes to the or reaches the 1950 level, then observe the market. Observe the market and see how the market is doing. If you see that market is unable to cross 1950 level, market is struggling near the 1950 level, that is a confirmation that yes, the sellers are still present around 1949, 1950 level, and you can take the sell position. And we also have the 50 moving average at the top. 50 moving average is also there, but Monday or Tuesday you can expect that if market goes up, then 50 moving average may also act as the resistance for the market. See, 200 moving average, 50 moving average, these are all the dynamic support and resistance in the market. Support or resistance are of two types, static and dynamic. See, these levels like 1880, 1895, 1950, these are all static support or resistance. It means that if you change the time frame also, they will remain the same, because they are mainly price dependent. Okay, but dynamic support resistance are weaker in comparison to static ones because they change with the time frame. Okay, so be careful. So these are the levels for gold for Monday. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And one more thing, please follow proper risk management and use proper stop loss. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so don't make the mistake. Use your own analysis. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.